Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I take care of my crested Japanese Birds Nest Fern. This plant is not an easy to care for house plant. No, it's not. You have to be very careful when caring for this plant. You don't have to provide a lot of care, but you need to know some basic information on where to place it and the proper watering method. So let's talk about where to place the crested Japanese Bird's Nest Fern inside your home. It does best when it is kept away from any windows that get direct sunlight, especially afternoon and evening sunlight. The leaves can easily burn if you place it in a window in direct sunlight. Let me show you an example of a sunburned leaf. It doesn't look pretty at all. It can tolerate an indoor temperature between 65 degrees to 85 degrees. I don't fertilize my crested Japanese Bird's Nest Fern. It enjoys medium to bright light locations in your home, but no direct sunlight. It can be propagated. There's no need to worry about the humidity level in your home if you own this plant. It will thrive in your home if you have low or high humidity in your home. Repotting this plant as soon as you get it home is not a good idea. The plant needs to adapt to its new locations before repotting it, or it can suffer a lot of stress and can cause the death of this plant. So wait a while before you repot it. You can keep the leaves of this plant clean by wiping each leaf with a damp paper towel. Here's an example of how I clean each leaf. The good news that I can share with you guys on this plant is that it is a non-poisonous plant. I read in several places that it does not harm your pets nor your kids. Now, let's talk about how to water it. Okay guys, now before I start this demonstration or the watering method I use to water this plant, I want to say that I'm going to slow my talking down so you can get the full benefit of how to water this house plant. Before watering this plant, you will need some water in a water can or a water bottle filled with water and a saucer. So watch as I demonstrate the proper way to water the crested Japanese Bird's Nest Fern. Let's place the saucer under the plant. I'm going to be using the water bottle to water this plant because you do not want to get any water down in the center of this plant. The center of this plant is called the rosette, and you do not want the rosette to hold any type of water, or you do not want to pour any type of water down in the rosette because it's going to cause the plant to root rot. If you look down in the center of the plant, you will see that this plant grows from the center, the rosette. You'll probably see several leaves growing from this area. Therefore, this area should never receive any water. Now you want to be very careful with the next step. You want to take the plant and hold the leaves upward. Then you want to take the bottle of water and you want to place the bottle of water real close to the soil and pour it slowly around the soil of the plant, making sure you do not get close to the center of the plant. Once you notice that the water is draining from the bottom of the pot into the saucer, it is time to stop watering this plant. Make sure that water is coming out of all the drains into the saucer. Do not let the plant sit in the water more than 5 minutes. Try to remove the plant from the saucer as soon as possible. This plant does not enjoy dry soil, so don't let it dry completely out between waterings. Check this plant every 3 to 4 days to see if it needs water. Here's how I check it. There is 2 ways to check it. 1, you can check it by lifting it up and down. If it feels light, then it's time to water it. If it feels heavy, do not water it. You can also check it by sticking your finger 2 inches into the soil to see if it feels dry. If it feels dry, then it's time to water it. If it does not feel dry, do not water it. So there you have it, guys. This is how you take care of the Crested Japanese Birds Nest Fern. Please subscribe, comment, share, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.